So here is what we call a multi-step equation because it has an equal sign. If it has an equal sign, you're going to treat it the same way as an inequality. Okay? What you're going to do is draw your bars just like usual. Now, it's called a multi-step because it takes multiple steps to solve. It doesn't take one step. It doesn't take two steps. It takes more than two steps. We stop counting after two, Maria. So what you first have to do is focus, not on this, not on that, is distribute the 5 to everything, just like we've been doing on the do nows. What's 5 times 2x? Then 5 times 6.
30.
What's the number one mistakes kids do right away is they forget to give the 5 to the 6, and they'll write 6 here. It's like, no, make sure you multiply 5 times 6. It still counts. Bring down the equal sign, no big deal. Then 100. What's my next step? Now we're into 2 steps. Subtract what? 30.
30 from both.
30 from both. Good. I mean, if you're working faster than I am, that's a really good sign. It's really good. Because everyone has the knowledge to do these. You just have to, put stuff that you learned before to the stuff that you learned today or yesterday. All right. Then I'm going to divide by 10. And x is equal to? 7. So the only new part is like, first you have to distribute, which a lot of you know how to do. And then you get this problem, which is what we just finished reviewing. All right. Let me think. Oh, what if I write it like this?
You would still do the same thing. Yeah, it's just backwards.
But some of my kids freaked out last period. They're like, oh my gosh, it's
so
on the other side, but it's literally the same thing.
Oh my god, you're so smart.
Yeah. You can, or you can just, work with it. So you're going to, the x is on the right side. It's still the same, Diana. We can just still write it down and focus and do this instead of that. It's all right. It's cool. All right. What's 2 times 2x? 4x. Emma, do you have this on your paper? 4x plus, what's 2 times 4? 8. Okay. Is equal to 40. Now, what do we do next? You want x by itself.
Yes.
Subtract what? 8. Very good. So some are like, oh, there's nothing to move over here. It's just a 40. Yeah, you're looking on this side. So we're going to subtract 8. Subtract 8. It's okay to move stuff from the other side. You want x by itself. Look at us, working hard with our pencil in our hand. It's fantastic. Woo! Yay us. Good. So we have 4x. And what's 40? 32. What's our last step? Divide by? 4. So what's 32 divided by 4? 8 is equal to x. So even if the x is on the other side, you're still going to be doing the same process, right? Don't get upset. Like, oh my gosh, it's on the other side. It's cool. You're cool. You're fine.
It's on the other side.